Hello guys, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Posa, and if today is your first time of watching my video, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't also forget to turn up your notification in order to be notified when my next video drops. Alright guys, without wasting much of your time today, I will be sharing a strategy that works effectively on a boom and crash. This strategy has been tested and it works effectively. Now, one thing you should know is this: no strategy is 100%. That's why we always advise young traders to always practice on demo in order not to miss out or lose their money on the forex market. Now, it's always advisable to use demo to practice and apply proper risk management. Now, if you don't have basic knowledge on trading, you can reach me through my WhatsApp. My number is on the description. You can reach me through WhatsApp, or you can also join my Telegram group, my Telegram channel rather. All right, this strategy, you don't need too much indicators. You just need some indicators that will guide you. And mind you, indicators don't really influence the market. It's just like a guide. It helps you to predict possible prediction on the forex market, or the synthetic index market rather. So in this strategy, all you will be needing is to know the trend of the market. This is very, very important. Knowing the trend of the market. Most times, people just get to trade blindly on the static index market. Don't forget this boom and crash. This strategy is for only boom and crash. It works for boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, crash 500, and it works effectively. All you need to do is to practice this strategy I'm about to share with you on your demo account. This is very important. Now, how do you know the trend of the market? You can actually know the trend of the market through the time frame. This is very important. Through the time frame, you can use a higher time frame to analyze the trend of the markets and take it down to a lower time frame. You understand? So that will guide you to know what you're doing. Now, this strategy is to catch spikes on boom and crash market. Now, the proper time rather to catch spikes on boom is when the market is on uptrend. When the market is on uptrend. Now, you can actually use your average 48 line to still know the trend of the market. There are ways you know the trend of the market. With your proper analysis, it's easy for you to know the trend of the market. Now, how do you know the trend for crash? Now, crash, you trade on crash when it's on downtrend. This is very important. Both crash 500, crash 1000. Like I said earlier, boom markets, you trade on the boom market when it's on uptrend. Now, this gives you more spikes, possible spike coming in, possible spikes. Now, why crash? You trade on crash when it's on downtrend, and most times when it has gotten once it's on downtrend, or is, let's say crash is on uptrend rather, and it has gotten to its resistance line, it's very, very easy for it to start spiking down. Now, the ability for you to know this trend and to dictate the support and resistance line of a particular trade or market rather is easy for you to trade on the market. And if you have knowledge on price action, trading on the synthetic index market will be very, very, very easy for you. It will be very, very easy for you. Like I said earlier, for mentorship and training, you can always reach me through my WhatsApp. Now, how do you use this strategy? As you can see here, this strategy is very easy. Now, the zoom level, as you can see, the zoom level, you zoom in on M1. As you can see, you are seeing it very clear here. Now, let me bring out an arrow for easy illustration. All right. Okay. Now, as you can see on this second chart here, it's very easy for you to dictate the spikes. Now, this dotted line here, as you can see, once you see this RSI line above this on M1, above this on M1, above this dotted 80 line on M1, and you see a first spike, this is a signal for you to place your trade. Don't forget, when it has gotten to its resistance line, that is when you can do a thing like this. But most times it might not get to that point. It depends on your kind of analysis. That's why I said, if you have knowledge on technical analysis and price action, it's very easy for you to catch spikes on boom and crash markets. This is very important. Now, as you can see here, once it's on downtrend, and you can see here, as you can see here, once it gets to this dotted line here, and you see a first spike, is a short signal for you to start aiming for more spike. Now, you can also see here that it goes to this blue line here. This is the middle Bollinger Band. Now, once it gets to this middle Bollinger Band, as you can see here, and you receive a first spike, this also is short signal for you to place this trade. This strategy has been tested and is working effectively. Now, as you can see here, you can also see now once it's below the lower Bollinger Band, you expect more spikes, as you can see here. Now, once it gets to its support level, there will be a strong buy on the other end. So at this point, you should know your support and resistance level. Once you can know that, our strategy is always based on the nature of the market, the trend of the market, support and resistance, and don't also forget a proper risk management. Now, we also make use of other analysis that might be beyond you, but with these little ones, you are good to go. Now, this strategy is working effectively. Now, I'll go to the other chart here. As you can see here, this other chart here is very easy for you to catch spikes using this Bollinger Band. As you can see, you have the upper Bollinger Band here. Now, once you see the upper Bollinger Band, now you see a strong buy touching the upper Bollinger Band. It's a short signal for you to place your trade when it's on downtrend. Don't forget, the trend is very important when trading on the boom and crash market. Now, as you can see here, you can see the spikes very easy. The spikes just coming in is very, very easy. This strategy works 80%. Now, what I mean is this: at least you have 80% win and 20% lost. Like I said earlier, no strategy is 100%. Take note of that. Now, I will also show you how to use this strategy on boom. Now, it's just the opposite of what I've explained on crash. Now, crash, boom 1000 or boom 500, as the case may be, you trade on uptrend. This is very important. You trade on uptrend. On the boom market, as you can see here. Now, once it gets to its lower Bollinger Band, as you can see here, it's very easy to receive spikes. Now, once it's on uptrend, expect more spikes. This is very important. With your technical analysis, it's very easy for you to know the trend of the market in order not to trade blindly. This is very, very important. As you can also see here, now it's just in here, as you can see. Now this is the RSI line, as you can see here. Now this, once it gets to it, once it gets below this dotted 20 line here, as you can see here, now this is a signal for you to place your trade. Now you will receive more spikes. As you can also see here, once you see the RSI line touching the Bollinger Band here, either the upper Bollinger Band or the middle Bollinger Band, is also a sure signal for you to place your trade. As you can see here, as you can also see here, this is very important. Just take note of this. With this little point, you can easily catch spikes on the boom and crash market. This is very important. Now all you need to do is to practice with this chart here. You don't need too much indicator. With this chart here, you are good to go. You are good to use this strategy. Now these are the settings. I will be sharing the settings with you. Very easy settings. You go to your indicators. This is the settings for the Bollinger Band. You don't need to change anything. These are the settings. Once you've set it this way, you click on done. Now the next one to add here will be our RSI, the relative strength index, period 18, level, buy 20, sell 80. Once you are done, you click on done. Then the next indicator to add will be our Bollinger Band that is on the other chart. Now as you can see here, these are the settings. Once you are done, you click on done. Don't forget, you can easily pause the video and take it back so you understand the chart well and the indicators to use. Alright guys, don't forget, always apply proper risk management, and don't forget to test this strategy on your demo account. Alright guys, that will be all for now. I've been receiving positive comments through my WhatsApp and also my Telegram. It is amazing. It is amazing. Just all you need to do is to practice. You don't need to bombard yourself with too much indicators or too much strategy. Just take a strategy and practice. That's what I will advise you, because no strategy is 100%. Take note of that. No strategy. At least you can even get 70% strategy. It will be easy for you. Alright guys, that will be all for now. And don't also forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn up your notification in order to be notified. Thank you guys. That will be all for now.